Supriyo sir. Today we will learn how to draw an alarm clock. Step-by-step instructions for drawing an alarm clock. Step 1. Begin by drawing a circle. This will form the face of the alarm clock. Step 2. Draw another circle. Within the first circle, this signifies the rim around the face of the alarm clock. Then, draw another circle within the innermost circle, narrowly spaced. Now, step 3. Extend two sets of short diagonal lines from the bottom of the clock. Connect each set of the lines at the bottom using a short lines. These form the alarm clock's supportive feet. Next, step 4. Draw two sets of narrowly spaced diagonal lines emerging from the top of the alarm clock. Enclose each set of lines using a small circle. Flattened on one side. These arms will support the bells of the alarm clock. Now, step 5. Draw a curved line across the top of the arm. Connect the two ends of the curved line using a straight line enclosing a half circle. Then, draw a curved line beneath the half circle from one end of the straight line to the other. This forms the first bell that allows the alarm clock to ring. Now step 6. Repeat this process to form a mirror image of the first bell. Begin by drawing a semicircle across the remaining arm, using one curved and one straight line. Then, draw a curved line beneath the straight line, connected at each end. This forms the second bells. Now step 7. Erase the guidelines from the bells. And now step 8. Draw a pair of curved parallel lines from the top of one bell to the other. Between the bells, draw a small rectangle. Connect it to the clock using a pair of lines. This forms the hammer, which moves back and forth to ring the bells. Let's move on to the next step. Now step 9. In this step, draw the clock face. Write the numbers 3, 6, 9 and 12. In their respective positions on the clock, draw two dots between each number and another dot in the center of the clock face. From the central dot, extend two elongated diamonds, one longer than the other. These form the hands of the clock, and you can set their positions to whatever time you would like. In our example, the clock reads 9 o'clock. Don't forget to draw the long straight line that represents the second hand. Now our last step, step 10. Color your alarm clock. This is the end. Related videos you can find out at the description box. Like, share and comments please.